everyone. Rईस फारूक वहां से नॉइज आ रहा है. Shut the door of your reading room as well as the windows and remain be quiet there. Is everybody listening to me? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Masrat has given the answer. Maria Shakil has joined. Farhan has joined. This Maswal Mispa Nazrana. Saima Liakat. Saima Assalamu alaikum. Have you loved listening to me? You are complaining that we do not have the sound. Kashifa, you are welcome. Wasim Muhammad Zubair Khan. Bashir Zafar. मोमिना सूफी. उर्दू में लिखा है मोमिना सूफी. वेरी गुड. Shall we start, Maria? Maria. Fajar. Farhan, shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. First of all, we have taken the proteins. Everything will be studied. We will do everything. Everything we will do there. Let us start today the proteins. We have taken first up its introduction. Now today we have taken up the proteins.
Okay, sir.
Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. We will start it. Please be ready. Maria, are you ready? Maswal, are you ready? Saima, Masrat Muhammad, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
We are going to state today. Our topic is this is today the proteins. What we are to study today the proteins. Right. We have given it as a introduction that these proteins, the biomolecules are micromolecules and the macromolecules, acid soluble, acid insoluble. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes,
Maria, is it okay? We have studied this thing or not?
Yes,
Very good. We have studied all these things: micromolecules, macromolecules, uh, acid soluble, acid insoluble, retentate, filtrate. Right? Can you tell me? Can you tell me, Masrat, in which category we will put these proteins? In which category we will put the proteins? What?
Macromolecules. Sir, molecules.
Micro or macro?
Macro.
Very good, macro. Is this in a right filtrate or retentate? Is it filtrate or the retentate? Huh? Saimalia Zubair Khan, Rais Farooq, is it or will there be the protein? Yesterday we have grinded in a mortar and a pestle, right? This will be in a retentate. Very good, Maria Shakil. Maria Shakil, why you are silent of this time? Are you angry to anybody? You are not talking to. बीमार है? Why?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem?
दांत निकाला है मैंने आज.
क्या निकाला? दांत कहाँ पर?
Kupala में निकाला.
Oh my God! You have returned from Koppal in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God! It requires the diet. Just now you are not eating the proteins. We are studying the proteins. You are not consuming the proteins. You are these bones. These teeth are very weak. That is why. Please consume these essential amino acids so that these bones and as these teeth will not get affected. In Shariaz, you are most welcome. Your friend is welcome. She has joined us now. Right, Maria? What you will consume?
Yes,
the proteins. What you will consume? The proteins from today. What is in the major proteins are found in? Right, we will try to learn it today. We will try to learn it today. See, we have seen, you have answered me. This is very, I am very happy to listen it from you. That yesterday we have studied the proteins, this how to distinguish these different chemical substances in a tissue, in an animal tissue. We did find it there, that filtrate and the retentate. In the retentate, there these proteins do come. It is an acid, insoluble or soluble? Insoluble or soluble? Very good. It is in the filtrate, it is in the retentate, it is acid insoluble, as well as we can say that these are this. What is this? What are the proteins?
Microbiomolecules.
Microbiomolecules. Very good. Very good. Microbiomolecules. Very good. Very good. See, these proteins, please listen to Maria, Insha, please listen. These proteins, they have just like the fundamental structures. They have the fundamental structures from which they are formed. From which they are formed. These fundamental structures by which these proteins are formed. And these are known as monomers.
Yes.
These are known as monomers. The fundamental structures by which the proteins are formed, and these are called the monomers. And what are these monomers? These are the amino acids. What are the monomers? The basic structure of the proteins is the amino acid. Amino acids are the monomers of the proteins, right? And Maria, Insha, please listen to me. These amino acids. First of all, we will take the name. If we will understand, Insha, if we will understand the amino acids, then easily we can study the proteins. Because there, if you is the life, you can see yesterday we has discussed the life has been evolved from this assemblage of these organic compounds, and they started their life activity. Similarly, the basic structure of the life is a cell. The basic structure of the proteins is these amino acids. Simple name. Simple name, the amino acid. This is the amino, it is the ammonia, right? And this is the acid. Acid is it. Ammonia and the acid combined forms the amino acid. Understand? I am repeating it, that the proteins have the basic structures. These are the formed, or rather we will call it the monomers. And what are these monomers? These are the amino acids. Amino acids, I have told you yesterday that when you do not understand the meaning of any word in the zoology, we simply split the word and understand. Amino acid, so it means that it is the ammonia group, and the acidic group is there, so they form the amino acids. In your NCRT, this Insha, write the simple amino acids. Simple amino acids are being formed. You have studied in the chemistry. Maria, Insha, you have studied in the chemistry. Right? What you have studied in the chemistry? That methane. What is the formula of the methane? Insha? Huh? CH? CH4. It is CH4, isn't it? So this means if you will draw the structure, this is C1H, 1H, 1H, 1H. Is this visible to you? I am drawing the structure of this. Maria, is this visible to you? Right?
Yes.
Is it? I have drawn the structure of the methane. Right? On one side, this H hydrogen group is replaced by the alcoholic group, that is COOH, and it is alcohol acidic. This H is replaced by the ammonia, that is NH2, right? This is the H hydrogen, because the C has carbon has the four valencies. We have to fit here we have to satisfy here the four valencies of it, and this H is represented by the R means a variable, the anything can be on this chain. I have drawn the structure of the methane whose formula is CH4. Because the C has the 4 valencies, the hydrogen 4 did combine its valency is being equivalent, and then it forms the methane. From this methane, we have drawn one H is replaced by the alcoholic acidic group, and the second is the basic, that is the ammonia group. On the interior side, it is the hydrogen, and on the level we had put the variable that can be the anything, because there are the different kinds of the amino acids, and they are of the different kinds, they have the different structures. That is why we represent this R here, it can be anything. So Maria, please remember, Maria, this we can see, the amino acids are the substituted methanes. क्या यानी कि ये जो ये जो अमोनिया एसिड्स हैं, दे आर द सबस्टिट्यूटेड व्हाट मीथेन. Ammonia acid is a substituted methane. Reis, I will remove you. Reis, I will remove you. Either be silent with a calm and peace there, or I will remove you. Have a warning today. Right? Did you understand? Did you understand? Insha, Maria, right?
Yeah.
Right? Simply, what is this? I am removing one. It is name is cactus because it is not allowed. Rais Farooq, one more. Yes, one more won't be silent there. Please be silent there. Right, Maria, Insha. Insha has left. Where is Insha? Insha has left. What is the problem with her? Yes, Maria, did you understand? Did you understand? Bilal
Yes, sir.
Teli, did you understand? Bilal Teli, very good student. Farhan Wani, very good. So we can say the ammonia acids are the substituted methanes. These are the substituted methanes. Right. What is in this? If you can see the structure of it, Maria, if you can see the structure of it, this is the central carbon, right? It is known as C alpha carbon. You will be knowing
Yes, sir.
C alpha carbon, isn't it? And it has the different, the valencies are satisfied by the different groups. When the valency is satisfied by the separate elements, by the separate elements, what will be this called as? What will be this carbon called as? When it is valency is satisfied or the fitted with the different types of the elements, what will be this carbon called? What will be this carbon called? What will be this carbon called? Right? It is known as a chiral carbon. Have you studied in chemistry? You are perhaps lagging behind in the chemistry. It is known as a chiral carbon. When the valency of the carbon is satisfied with the different types of the elements, and that carbon is known as a chiral carbon, right? Because it is showing the different activities, optical activities in the different forms, so this is known as a chiral carbon. But there is an exception. So the amino acids do possess the carbon that is known as a chiral carbon, and this carbon is known as an alpha carbon, right? I have discussed, I am repeating it. Amino acids, it is formed of the amino group as well as the acid group, this amino acid, it is the substitute of the methane. This amino acid does contain the acidic group one, and second it contains the ammonia group. So one side it is the acidic group, and another side it is the basic group. It contains one hydrogen and one R group that represents the chain. There are the different kinds, Maria. There are the different kinds of the amino acids. You will study them. There are the different kinds. This is the chain. I have shown it here. This is the chain it here, right? This is the alpha carbon. This is the R, and this forms the COOH, and this is the ammonia.
Yes.
This is the ammonia. This is the acidic group, and this is the hydrogen. This represents the R, which can be represented by anything. Which can be represented by anything,
Yes.
right? If the carbon, Maria, remember, if the if this carbon, right, I am writing it here, this is the alpha carbon, this is the H, this is the H. If they are, I am writing simply here, if they are is on the lower side, if they are is simply, right, right, please tell me, is there any question who is being, Maria Shakil, where does noise comes, where from this noise, where from this noise comes, right? Maria, first
Yes,
condition,
sir.
the kindest of the ammonia acids. If this R, right? If this R is replaced by the H, if this R is replaced by the H, right? And here it is a COH, and it's and this form is the simplest. And this form, perhaps I have in my library. I will go directly towards it. Perhaps I have in my library, right? If that or what we have represented, if that or is replaced by the H, right, and there is also the acetic, there is also the basic group, and that or was replaced by the H, and it forms the one of the simplest amino acid, that is known as glycine. Agar or is replaced by the methane, another methane group, it becomes the second type of this amino acid, that is known as alanine, right? If it is replaced,
Yes, sir.
it is replaced by the CH2OH, it forms a serine, right? Alcohol, CH2OH,
Yes, sir.
CH2OH. If it is replaced by the alcoholic group, it becomes a serine. So the different kinds, when they are is replaced, when they are is replaced by the different kinds of the compounds, it forms the different kinds of the amino acids. We have given the example, this diagram I have taken from the NCRT. This is just we discussed it here. One H has been replaced, it forms glycine, CH3 methane, and the third the alcohol serine, right? So
Yes, sir.
we can replace the R group, we can replace the R group by the different kinds of the compounds, and the different types of the amino acids are formed, right? Right,
Yes,
up
sir.
to this time. So on this basis, we have discussed that the ammonia acids are the substitutes of the methane. They are the substitutes of the methane. About their classification, if we can discuss on the basis of this classification, on this basis of the classification, see, classification depends, I am taking this classification, it is depends upon Marius, remember, if the acid is more than, if R is replaced by another acid group, if R is replaced by another acid group, in the in this basic structure, in the basic structure of the ammonia acid, R is replaced by another acid group, by another acid group. तो ये क्या हो गया, जो एसिड था, इसका जो था एसिड ज्यादा हुआ, इसमें बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर में एसिड ज्यादा हुआ, क्या हुआ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर में एसिड ज्यादा हुआ,
Yes, sir.
right? And that amino acid is known as an acidic amino acid. When R is replaced by another acidic group, by another acid group, the basic structure shows that the acid is more than the base. The acid is more than the base, and that amino acid is known as an acidic amino acid. That is known as a ammonia acetic acid. We have the different examples of the ammonia acid, like the glutamic acid. I am writing it, glutamic acid. And the second is the aspartic acid. Aspartic acid. I am repeating it, Maria. When they are represents the variable, when they are is replaced by an another acidic group, the basic structure the basic structure is dominated by the acid, and it forms the acetic amino acids. And the acetic amino acids, we have the glutamic acid as well as the aspartic acid, as well as the aspartic acid. ठीक है? Sure. And the second structure, when they when the base and the ammonia is equal, just like this structure. When the base and this is the COH, this is the acidic group, and this is the base group NH2, right? It is in the similar proportion. It is in the similar proportion in the basic structure. In the basic structure, what will be it known as? What will be known as? Maria, what will be done? When the proportion is in the same form, the acid and the base is in the same form in its basic structure. What it will form? What types of the amino acids will be formed? What types of the amino acids will be formed? Maria, are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Maria Shakil, Bilal Teli, Bisma Hamid, Farhan, Masrat, Misbah, Nazrana, Shokina, Kashifa, Wasim Ahmed, Maria, when they are in the same
Yes, sir.
when they are in the same form, what will be the neutral ammonia acids former? There will be former the neutral ammonia acids. What will be there? The neutral ammonia acids. A represents the ammonia acids. Right? Two things we have studied. Two things we have studied, that when when the basic structure is dominated, when the basic structure is dominated by the acidic group, the amino acid forms the acetic amino acids, and we call them the glutamic acid and the aspartic amino acid. When they are the same, and when they are in the same proportion, acid and the base is in the same proportion in its basic structure, we called it as a neutral. We called it as a neutral. And when the base, न्यूट्रल कौन कौन सा है? न्यूट्रल कौन कौन सा है? जैसे हमने पढ़ा, गैलेसिन है, हाँ गैलेसिन है, एलेनिन है, गैलेसिन है, आई एम राइटिंग इट, एलेनिन है, एंड द थर्ड वन इज वेलिन. एसिड में हमारे कौन कौन से एग्जांपल हमने दिए थे? प्लीज रिपीट इट. एसिड में कौन कौन से एग्जांपल हमने दिए थे? वेरी गुड,
Aspartic acid,
very good. Aspartic acid and the glutamic acid and the right. And the neutral में कौन कौन से हमने लिखे?
glycine,
Glycine, alanine, and the valine, and the and valine, and simaliacat and valine. Very good. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes.
Kashifa, are you ready there? Did you understand all? Third, when, please remember, this is very bad, but most important, most of the questions are asked from the biomolecules. That is why it is very necessary. Fourth structure is Masrat Muhammad. Please be there, Masrat Muhammad. Basic structure, when the base overcomes the acid, when the NH is dominating, when the NH3 is NH2 is ammonia is dominating, that is the base dominating the acid, and it forms the base. We have discussed these three structures. One is a neutral, acid, and the base. What are the bases in it? Arginine, What are they? Say
Lysine.
arginine and lysine. Very good.
Lysine भी है ना?
हाँ लाइसिन भी है, लाइसिन भी है। साइमा साइमा लाइसिन भी है। वेरी गुड। अर्जिनिन एंड लाइसिन। शाबाश साइमा, रिपीट कर दो, मैंने कौन कौन से बताए? मैंने कौन कौन से
Sir, basic
बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर मैंने अर्जिनिन एंड लाइसिन बताई।
lysine.
वेरी गुड अर्जिनिन। और मैंने ये न्यूट्रल कौन कौन से बताए?
Sir, glycine, alanine और valine.
Very good, very good. And these are the three types. These are the three types of the amino acids. One is the neutral, second is the basic, and the third is the acidic. Third is the acidic. Can you give Saima Liaquat Masrat Muhammad? Can you give the example what I have given for the neutral, acidic, as well as the basic structures?
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good.
Sir, neutral में glycine, alanine और valine.
Very good.
Acidic में aspartic, asparagine और glutamic acid.
Very good.
और basic में arginine और lysine.
Very good, very बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Very good, you are understand. I am very happy that you understand the things. Right now, now there is an another structure that is I have told you that is the aromatic structures. That is the aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acid is the phenylalanine, triosine, phenylalanine, triosine, and tryptophan. Right. I am going. Right. These were the basics. These were the acidics, and this is the base, and these are the aromatic. Right. Sulfur containing. These are the aromatic. There are also the sulfur containing amino acids. That is in the last. You can see the cysteine and the methionine. Cysteine and methionine. You can see Saima Liaquat, Masrat Muhammad. You can see all the 20 types of the amino acids that form the proteins in the human beings are being written here. First of all is the 20, that is the glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, proline. Hydroxyaliphatic acid, serine, threonine. Aromatic phenylalanine, triosine. Triosine very important, emergency hormones बनाते हैं. Triosine very important. And tryptophan. Basicus, lysine, arginine, histidine. Acid. What? Very good.
Sir, aromatic.
Yes, aromatic phenylalanine, triosine, and tryptophan. Basicus, lysine, arginine, and acidic, glutamic acid, aspartic acid. Amide chains where the acidic group is being replaced, and that forms the glutamine and the asparagine. Sulfur containing amino acids, cysteine and methionine. These all form this Masrat Liaquat. These all form the 20 amino acids, and it is also known as the 20 magic, because they form the amino acids, all the amino acids, their structures of the different structures form the all the amino acids, all the proteins that are in the humans are all formed by these 20 types of the amino acids. By these types of the amino acids, what type of the proteins are formed in the human? This is because of these 20. Masrat, you have to remember all these. You have to remember at any cost. You have to remember them. You have to remember them at any cost. See, these 20, these are known as the simply the magic 20. क्या कहते हैं इनको साइमा लियाकत? मैजिक 20, या इनको कहते हैं 20 अल्फाबेट्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. 20 अल्फाबेट्स, 20 अल्फाबेट्स भी इनको कहते हैं. 20 alphabet. You have to remember them at any cost. You have to remember them at any cost. You have to remember them, right? अब इनमें क्या है? अब इनमें साइमा क्या प्रॉब्लम है? साइमा इनमें क्या होता है? इनमें कुछ एसेंशियल्स होते हैं, कुछ नॉन एसेंशियल्स होते हैं. साइमा, when human being develops, there is a coded in our genetic for the formation of these proteins. for the formation of the in our DNA there is an information, there is an information for the formation of the proteins, for the formation of these proteins, and there are the codes, there are the codes for these amino acids, for these 20 amino acids, and these 20 amino acids are known as the coded amino acids or the standard amino acids. I am repeating it. I am repeating it that there are the 20 amino acids. 20 amino I am writing for the amino acids. Right? 20 amino acids. And these 20 amino acids are being coded in our DNA. Are being coded in our DNA. So they are called the coded amino acids. Coded amino acids. And the second thing, when they are the coded, they are also known as the standard amino acids. They are known as a standard amino acids. अब क्या है? We have the code. We have the code to make these amino acids, to make the amino acids in our DNA. In our DNA, the amino acids, Saima, on the basis of it, has been divided into three different types, groups. Has been these 20 amino acids has been divided into three different groups. One is the essential amino acids, the essential amino acids that comes from the diet, that comes from the diet. Non-essential amino acids that are manufactured by the body itself, and the semi amino acids, right? Right, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. The there I have so
नहीं नहीं वो
huh?
essential
Please. Saima Liak, are you getting me?
सर कुछ नहीं
Yes. Is this
Yes,
is this
sir.
is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes, this should be clear to you. Everything should be clear. I have given these. There are the 20 amino acids. Our DNA does possess the code for it, and these are called the coded amino acids. These are called the coded amino acids. And there are also the non-coded amino acids. We do not need to discuss them. We do not need to discuss them. Right. There are the essential amino acids that come from the diet, non-essential amino acids that are being manufactured by the body itself, and the third one is the semi-essential amino acids that are required for the development of the kids, of our kids. I have divided it right, and these amino, right, this is the non, this essential amino acids cannot produced by the human body. They have been taken by the diet. They had like valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, lysine, methionine, threonine. Right? Non-essential that are formed by the body itself, produced by the human body. Alanine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, galactamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, pyrrosine. Right? Semi-essential. And what are these semi-essential? I am repeating, this is what this is the semi-essential. This is the semi-essential right here. Arginine and histidine. These are used for the development during our kid stage, and that is why they are known as a semi-essential. So these 20 amino acids can be divided into the three groups. Can be divided into three groups. You have to remember, Saima Liaquat, and you have to clearly remember all these 20 amino acids. And in these 20 amino acids, there are the essential, non-essential, and the semi-essential. You have to remember which one is the essential, which one is the semi-essential, as well as which one is the non-essential. Right? You have to remember them at any cost. Rat lagana inka. Rat lagana, because there is being asked the question. There is being up to this time. Up to this time also, we have studied the basic structure, we have studied chiral carbon, we have studied alpha carbon, and how it is a substituted methane. We have studied it is variable group, we have studied it is basic structure, we have studied it is acidic structure, we have studied it is a neutral structure, we have studied it's all the 20 kinds, and essential, non-essential, and semi essential, right? Right? Are you, is this up to this time clear to you, Saima? Saima, is this clear to you? Is this clear to you? Please remember, Bilal
Yes,
Teli,
sir.
Bisma, Masrat Muhammad. Up to
Yes,
this time, is this clear to you? Bilal Teli, Bilal Bisma Hamid, Shoikina Wasim Ahmad Said Kashifa, Saima Liaquat. Up to this, is this clear to you? Is this
yes, sir.
crystal clear to you? Please, I will move then forward. 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 See, see, is this crystal clear to you? Bilal Teli, Fajar, shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Farhan Wani, shall we move forward?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Farhan Wani has sent you, we can move it forward. See, in the different pHs, this amino acid shows its different activities. Shows it is a different activity. When an amino acid is put in a solution with a pH, and and it forms, and it changes its structure, at a different pH. Please remember it, at a different pH. When the amino acid changes its structure, when an amino acid, right? Is this clear, crystal clear to you? Is this crystal clear to you? Up to this time, is this crystal clear to you? Bilal Teli, Bilal Teli, please respond. We are moving forward. Our time has ended. That is why we got it. We got this message, right? Bilal Teli, Farhan Wani, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, Farhan Wani says that we have understand all these things. After that, you can move forward. When in the different pHs, it changes its structure. It changes its structure. At which pH? At which pH? Please remember it here. Please, Farhan Wani, please remember it here. Bushra Zafar, Bilal Teli, Nuzha, please remember. ध्यान रखना यहाँ पर, जिस pH पर अमोनियो एसिड चेंज करता है अपना स्ट्रक्चर, उस पॉइंट को कहते हैं आइसो इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट। उस पॉइंट को कहते हैं आइसो इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट। आइसो इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट, जिस पीएच पर सॉल्यूशन के जिस पीएच पर अमोनियो एसिड चेंज स्ट्रक्चर करता है, दैट इज नोन एज एन आइसो इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट, and it is represented in the examination by the pi, isoelectric. The pH, the structure of the ammonia acid is changed. The nature of the ammonia acid is changed. The pH, the nature of the ammonia acid is changed. That is known as an isoelectric point and represented by the pi. I have given you this structure here. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Remember it. See, this was the basic structure. This B. This was the basic structure that was put in a solution. That was put in a solution. What happened here at it is isoelectric point? It has lost this COH alcoholic group. This CH alcoholic group, it has lost the 1H and it was added to the ammonia group. It was added to the ammonia group, and when it was added to the ammonia group, right, it has both the positions. This is the CO, it is the negative, and this forms the positive. It lost negative, it lost. Are you listening to me? Is there any voice disturbance?
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me? Right? Shokina? Are you listening? Shokina Jarik? Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Bilal Teli, Bushra Shabash. मैं ये कहता हूँ,
Yes, sir.
please remember it. When any isoelectric point, this hydrogen on the negative is being replaced and it goes towards the ammonia group. Ammonia group, and so this basic structure has been changed. It changed its nature, having both the negative as well as the positive. Right. On the A side, you can see the A. It does possesses the COOH and the NH3 or right basic chain. Basic chain. So this is what the acidic. This is the basic, and this is it has lost one edge and has gone towards the edge, and this is the acidic. This is acidic. But in the center B, at any isoelectric point, the negative and the positive are equivalent. Negative and the positive are the equivalent. And this ion is, so we can say that at the different pHs, the nature is changed by the transfer of its ions, by the disturbance of its ions, and these structures forms the its charges. These forms its charge. It has formed the acidic charge, and that is the negative charge. It has formed the basic charge, that is the positive charge, and it has formed the neutral charge that contains both the charge, that is in the central the B, and so we can call it as a Zwitter ion. Zwitter means this is the zoological point. Zwitter means the hermaphrodite. Zwitter means the hermaphrodite, having both the positive and the negative charges in them, and that is it is known as a Zwitter form ion. I am repeating it. I am repeating it. The when the ammonia acid is put in the solution at the different isoelectric points. What is an isoelectric point? Isoelectric point is when it loses its when it loses its charge and adds its charge, and that is the isoelectric point. That is the isoelectric point. Or the ammonia acid changes its nature when you put it as in the some isoelectric point, and that is known as the isoelectric point. We have seen that the simplest ammonia acid loses its this acidic H and is added to the ammonia group, and it forms the basic form of this ammonia acid, and it has the positive charge, while on the other it loses the H and forms the negative charge, that it forms the acidic, and in the center it has both the acidic as well as the this basic charges. It has the negative as well as the positive charge, so it is called the Zwitter. So in nutshell we can see that the basic structure of the ammonia acid is positive charged. The acidic group of this ammonia acid is negative charge, while as there are the some ammonia acids that do possesses both the positive as well as the negative charges, and these are called the Zwitter ions. These are called the Zwitter ions. Right? Right? Saima Liakat, Bilal Teli, Bushra Zafar, did you understand? Did you understand? So I am repeating it. Acidic is the negative charge, basic is the positive charge, and the neutral is the Zwitron that has a zero charge. That has a zero charge. Right? Understand? Understand? Everyone, did you understand? Everyone, did you understand? Everyone, did you understand? Moimina Sophie is on,
Yes, sir.
right? Did you understand all these things? We have stated the basic structure ammonia acid is. their basics, their acidic form, right, their neutral form, their charges, the 20 amino acids, the essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids, semi-essential amino acids. Right? Right, Shokina, Moimina Sofi Bilal Teli, is this crystal clear to you? A very difficult, but I have made it easy. Shokina, Moimina, did you understand? Did you? Very good, very good. This is amino acids, and yeah, I told you that it forms the basic structure for the protein. This forms the basic structure for the proteins. Now we will describe the basic structure of the proteins. Now we will be discussing about the proteins. But मेरे ख्याल में कल पढ़ लेंगे. शौकीना शारिक, मोबिना सोफी, बिलाल तेली, बुशरा जफर, लिया साइमा लियाकत, फरहान वानी. मे बास tomorrow we will study it. Right? It will take a much time. Right? Understand? Did you understand the amino acids? Did you understand the amino acids? Right? If you understand the amino acid, please send me the thumbs up. Everyone will send me the thumbs up. Everyone will, if there is a doubt, Bilal Teji has understood, Farhan Wani has understood, Bilal Teji has, Said Kashif has understood all these things. Did you remember all these things? Did you remember all these things? Shall I take off now?
Yes.
Shall I take off now? Allah Hafiz to all of
Yes,
you. Allah Hafiz to all of you.